Hook, is your Samsung TV turning on but there's no sound? Don't worry, in this video I'll quickly show you step by step how to fix the sound problem on your Samsung Smart TV in just 2 minutes. Step 1. Check mute and volume. First, check if your TV is muted or the volume is set too low. Pick up your remote and press the volume up button. Sometimes it's just that simple. Step 2. Check audio output settings. Next, go to settings greater than sound output. Make sure it's set to TV speaker if you're using built-in speakers, or the correct device if you're using external speakers or a sound bar. Step 3. Restart the TV. Press and hold the power button on your remote until the TV turns off and on again. This refreshes the system and often fixes sound issues. Step 4. Factory reset. Sound. Still no sound? Go to settings greater than sound greater than expert settings greater than reset sound. This will restore your audio settings to default and usually solves the issue. Outro, and that's it. By following these quick steps, your Samsung TV sound should be back to normal. If not, you may need to contact Samsung support. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple TV fixes.